Hi guys, welcome to my channel Glitter and Glow. How are you all? I hope you all are doing good. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all how to get rid of oily skin. So, please watch this video till the end. And if you have not subscribed my channel till now, then don't forget to subscribe my channel. And also, I'll put my Insta ID on the screen. So, do check it out and also follow me over there. So guys, let's prepare the face mask for oily skin. The first ingredient which I'm going to be using is Multani Mitti. Guys, Multani Mitti will help you in reducing face oil, fight acne, and it will balance and brighten your skin tone. It will also reduce pigmentation. The next ingredient which I'm going to be using is rose water. Rose water will help you in soothe skin irritation. It will reduce skin redness, help and treat infections, and it will also help in making your skin glow. Mix both the ingredients properly and the consistency should be something like this. Now apply this face mask on your face like I've shown you all in this video. And keep this face mask for around 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it off with plain water. Guys, in summer season we usually face this problem of oily skin, so you can use this DIY face mask once and twice a week and you will definitely get the perfect result. So do try it out. Guys, you can also share your results in the comment section. Guys, I washed my face with plain water. You can see my skin is looking much more clean and oil free. So guys, you can also try this DIY face mask once and twice a week. You will also definitely get the result. So guys, this is the end of the video. If you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And guys, if you have any kind of suggestion for my next video, then you can definitely comment me down. I'll definitely check it and make a video on that too. So guys, bye.